How do we pair your Firestick remote to control your TV volume and power? It's actually simple. First, make sure your Amazon Fire TV stick is plugged in and turned on. From the home screen, go to settings, then scroll to equipment control. After that, click manage equipment, TV, and choose change TV. Your Fire Stick will then ask for your TV brand. Select it from the list. The system will send the signal to your television and ask, did the volume change? If it works, click yes. If not, it'll try another code automatically. Once confirmed, your Fire Stick remote can now control TV power, volume up and down, and sometimes even input. If your remote isn't responding at all, you can also reset it by holding the home button for about 10 seconds to repair it. What really matters is making sure you select the correct TV brand and follow the on screen prompts carefully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.